Principles of inheritance and variation. This is very simple chapter and also very important chapter. So first of all we should understand what is genetics, what is inheritance and what is variations to understand this chapter very easily and also very quickly. So first of all we'll understand what is genetics. Okay, genetics is derived from the word geno. It is basically derived from the word geno. Here geno refers to reproduce. What is geno? Geno means reproduction. It is mainly related to the reproduction. The science of genetics is basically related to the reproduction. Okay. Genetics is a branch of biology dealing with inheritance and variation of characters from parents of offspring. Here, inheritance and variation are the two important words basically. If you understand these two words, you will understand what is genetics. Genetics is a department of a biology where you will learn about the inheritance and also about the variation from the parents to offspring. Let us understand what is inheritance. The process by which characters are passed on from parent to progeny. This is the simple definition. Okay, basically it is the transmission of characters, it is the transfer of characters from parents to progeny. It is the transfer of characters from parents to progeny or offspring. You can call the progeny as offspring also. The transfer of characters from one generation to the other generation or to the next generation is called as inheritance. This is simple, where the characters are passed from one generation to another generation. Okay. Understand what is variation. Variation, the degree by which the progeny differs from its parents. It is the simple, the difference. The difference between the parent and the progeny is known as variation. The difference, okay. For example, you and your mother are not exactly similar. Obviously, you and your mother are not similar. So there might be the difference in the height, etc. Anything, behavior. For example, there might be difference in behavior, difference in structure, difference in height or color. Okay, variations. These variations are very important because they will help you to survive in the any condition, in any harsh condition. They will help you to survive. Survival factor is mainly enhanced by this variation. Okay, what is variation? It is the difference between the parent and the progeny, or the degree by which the progeny differs from its parents. Okay, we all know that who is the father of genetics. Obviously, Gregor John Mendel is the father of genetics. He was the first person to introduce the mathematics into biology. He introduced the mathematics in the biology. He has done very good work in the genetics. Okay, the term genetics is basically given by Batson. The term genetics is given by Batson, but the father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel. So do not get confused between the Batson and the Gregor. They both are different because Batson introduced the term genetics. Okay, let us do quick recap about the genetics, inheritance, variation and about the Mendel. Genetics is a branch of biology dealing with inheritance and variation. It deals with the inheritance and variation. So what is inheritance? It is the transfer of characters from parent to progeny. Okay, now what is variation? Variation is the degree by which the progeny differs from its parents. Okay, Mendel was the father of genetics who proposed the law of inheritance, and the term genetics is given by the Batson, whereas the father of genetics is the Gregor John Mendel.